your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet.
What's up, guys? It's Nick from Coastline Adventures, and we're here with Mom and the fabulous Ella. She's being shy, but we're back in the car again, as you can see, so that can only mean one thing. We're off to another adventure. We are off to South Jersey, Jellystone in Williamstown, New Jersey. And it's going to be an awesome time. They got inflatables, they got a splash pad, they got a pool, they got all kinds of stuff there. So we're meeting up with our friends again, and we're going to take you guys there and show you what this campground's about. So stay tuned for this video because this one should be awesome. Thanks a lot, guys. What's up, guys? We're checking out the water park. Let's see what it looks like. It's more of a splash pad, but it's got some deeper areas. It's not so bad. We showed up on Thursday and stayed Thursday, Friday, Saturday, left Sunday. This is our second time here, maybe third time. I think we came here one time when it was hot, then we came for Halloween, and now we're back again. So we do like this campground. It's a very nice one. It's got a lot of amenities. This trip, when we were here, it's August, but the pools were so cold. Definitely not heated at all. The pool was probably colder than the lake was. The bigger pool, the non-splash pads pool, just the regular pool, was also cold. And even the lake was cold, but it wasn't as cold as the pools. My daughter, Ella, who you can see here swimming, she had no issues swimming in it at all. Kids don't care, but none of the adults that were with my crew went in the water. It was just way too cold. Alright, guys, we're leaving the pool because it is freezing. Just a FYI, if you're here at Williamstown, South Jersey, Yogi Bear, the pool water is freezing. Then after we were done with the pool that day, we went back to the campsite and I cooked me some awesome pineapple stir fry for the family. And it was delicious. But we just took a whole pineapple, cut it up into small pieces, take the insides out, cook the chicken, put some seasoning. I think we used pineapple sriracha seasoning for the chicken flavoring. Mix it all up, nice and good. Make sure your chicken's cooked. Nobody wants to eat raw chicken. And then you just add the pineapple. Make sure you get a nice grill mark on some of the pineapple. We cut it down a little bit smaller pieces. I took my flat edge and cut those down smaller and then mixed it in with the chicken. Oh, if you could smell this, it smelled amazing. But I just can't, like, eating hot dogs and hamburgers every day camping, that's just not my style. We eat hamburgers and hot dogs for lunch, but dinners, I just feel like you gotta cook something good. So we got, gotta use the day-old rice for the stir fry. Break that up, add the soy sauce to the rice, some seasonings to the rice, and then you add the frozen vegetables. It's such an easy camping dish to make. My flat top's a little small, but still, I mean, it's such an easy meal to make. Like I said, if you guys could smell this, you'd be drooling right now. It smells so good. And then you just take the filling and you put it in a pineapple, fill up the pineapple for a little bit of presentation. If you're not into presentation, then just eat it right on a plate, but I like to make it a little fancy. And then after dinner we went to the Jumping Pillows, which is where my daughter absolutely loves to be. It's either here or the park. But this campground has a little bit of everything. So it's got a beautiful lake. It's got the inflatables. It's got awesome cabins. Really nice pull-through sites. We stayed in the pull-through site this weekend. It was really nice. parks for the kids. Kids love the parks, and everything's kind of close. It wasn't crazy walking, which is nice. Bathhouses were clean. They had the gazebo, pavilion, whatever you want to call it. They did bingo and dances. They had a band one night. They had a DJ another night. The store
caught him in the action,
and we even got to see Boo Boo.
Get going. The other one. Wait your turn. There you go. Okay, give him a hug.
Kids absolutely love meeting the characters. And somebody else loves meeting the characters too. This guy.
Thanks.
It's always fun. If you don't have fun, you're doing something wrong. But the store did have a lot of stuff. Clothes, supplies, all that stuff. They had an arcade. Arcade's got a whole bunch of games.
So guys, we're here at the arcade. They got some claw machines right here. They got some race car machines, ping pong. They got the original Miss Pac-Man, and they got some air hockey. Not too bad. It's right on the other side of the playground when you first come in the campground. They got skee ball. Don't forget skee ball. How many of you guys play skee ball? You know you love some skee ball. But they do got an arcade here. This place is pretty cool. It's been a good weekend. Let's go check out the gem mining station and see what they got. So they got Yogi. There's Yogi. Where's Yogi? Can't see Yogi. There's Yogi. Here's the gem mining station. There's Yogi again. Gem mining station. You go buy the little bags of sand, come out here and rinse them out like you're a miner. Pretty cool stuff. Rental golf carts. Ranger station. Store, ice cream, food. All that good stuff. That's the overflow parking because you can get a day pass or a seasonal pass here. So they do have that stuff. But overall, not a bad weekend. We were here Thursday through Sunday. Today's Saturday night. So we pack up tomorrow and get out of here. Let me know if you guys have stayed here because there's a couple more sites we want to, or campgrounds we want to check out, but it's getting late in the season, so we don't know how far we can travel. But if there's any ones that you guys think compare to this one or the last one we were at Quarryville, let me know in the comments and we will try to check out those as well.
City, call me loud, a breeze that makes you high. We'll be up till late tonight. Love gets another chance. Pretty people holding hands, uplifted by the night. The way that it should be, can let it slip away. 'Cause this might be our final summer day. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
We are finishing up our trip here. We are at South Jersey, Jellystone. This place is pretty amazing. It's a beautiful lake, as you can see behind me. It's got inflatables right here. Plenty of seating and places to picnic and all kinds of stuff. And then they have the pools, the splash pad, all kinds of stuff at this one. So we had a good time. This might be our last one of the hot season, and then we get into October for our Halloween campgrounds and all that. Do you guys go for Halloween? Because we love decorating for Halloween and going trick-or-treating with everybody. But I think this is it for us, guys. So thanks for watching the video on this one, and we'll keep you posted on the next one. See you later.
All your stuff away. and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it.